Hi, this is a Stage 4 phonics video. Today we're looking at CVC words where the middle vowel sound is that U, that sound. This is a really tricky one which needs lots of practice. Today we're going to look at the Ugg word family. We're going to start by hearing the sounds in the words. Then we're going to practice reading some words with the sound in it. Then we're going to use our pen and paper to write and spell some words. And then at the end, we'll revise the sounds that we've done today and in previous lessons. Are you ready? Tarting is turned on. Get ready to listen to the sounds. So this girl is giving her bear a hug. How many words can you think of that rhyme with hug? Hug, dug, jug, mug. Did you think of those words? Okay, these coloured circles help us to imagine the different parts of the word. So the green circle helps us to imagine the beginning sound in the word. The red circle at the end helps us to imagine the last sound in the word. And the yellow circle in the middle, that helps us to imagine that tricky middle sound. So in the word bug, we've got b, b, b. Last sound, g, g, g. Middle sound, Okay, and in the word rug, first sound, last sound, g, g, g. Middle sound, Okay, robot arms ready. Remember the robot arms? It's like chopping up the word into the different sounds or phonemes. The first word we're going to chop up, or robot, is tug. Tug. Your turn. Tug. What about the word mug? Mug. Your turn. Mug. What about the word chug? Now this has a digraph bend at the beginning, the ch sound. Ready? Chug. Your turn. Chug. Awesome. Now we're going to practice reading some words. Are you ready? We're trying to read these really fast and fluently. Bug, dug, mug, jug, tug, hug, rug, chug. Whew, how did that go? There were some tricky ones in there. Pause the video now if you need to get your piece of paper and something to write with, because we're up to the writing part of the lesson. You need to set up your page with a sun in the top right hand corner. This is going to be a place for us to collect our ticks that we earn during the lesson. And it's also going to help us to remember which way some letters face, because some letters face towards the sun and some face away from the sun. And putting that there helps us to imagine which way they face. The first word we're going to write is bug. Write the word bug. Do you have a B? Do you have a U? Do you have a G? So we've got B, A, G, bug. If you got all three phonemes, give yourself a tick in the sun. Well done. Make sure your B has its belly facing towards the sun. Make sure your G has its possum tail going away from the sun. If you got both of those shapes facing the right way, give yourself a bonus tick. Those are both tricky letters. The next word we're going to write is rug. Write the word rug. Do you have an R? Do you have a U? Do you have a G? A, G, rug. If you've got those three letters and sounds, give yourself a tick. Well done. Now it's this middle U sound that's really tricky. Sometimes we think it's an A, but remember the umbrella is the U sound, and the alligator, that's an A sound. Okay, the next word we're going to write is cup. Listening carefully to the end of the sound because it's a little bit different to the other ones. Write the word cup. Do you have a C? Have a look at your C. Have a look at my C. Make sure they're facing the same way towards the sun. Do you have a U? Do you have a P? K, A, P, cup. If you've got all three phonemes, give yourself a tick. Awesome. Now we're going to change the word cup to cut. Cup, cut. Which sound is changing? Cup, cut. Is it the first, the last, or the middle sound? It was the last sound, the end sound. On the word cup, it's got a p at the end, cup. On the word cut, it's got a t at the end, cut. If you knew that that was changing to a T, give yourself a tick. Well done. Now we're going to change cut to hut. Cut, hut. Here we have a t, hut. And it's that first sound that's changing, isn't it? It's changing from a cut to a hut. If you've got a tall stick tunnel for your H at the beginning, give yourself a tick. Now we're going to change hut to hot. Hut, hot. Write the word hot. Hot, hot. It's that middle sound. Even when you say the word hot, your mouth makes an O shape. Hot, pot, lot. See how my mouth is making that O shape? Which when we're saying at, or we're saying like hat or hit, your mouth doesn't make that same O shape. So that's a clue of what that middle sound could be. Are you ready to write your silly sentence? Make sure you have space on your page. You might need to flip your piece of paper over. I'm going to say the sentence twice. Then you can pause the video and have a go at writing the sentence. Are you ready? The sentence is, a bug had fun in the sun. A bug had fun in the sun. Pause the video and write that sentence down. Let's read the sentence together. A bug had fun in the sun. So there are 4 words here that we can sound out. So we've got bug, b-a-g, bug. Had, h-a-d, had. Fun, f-a-n, fun. And sun, s-a-n, sun. If you got all the phonemes or sounds in those words, give yourself 2 ticks. Awesome work. You can have a bonus tick if you remembered to make it a super silly sentence. So you should have a capital letter, a capital A at the beginning, a full stop at the end, and finger spaces between each of the words. Alright, last part of the lesson is to revise the words we've practiced today and the ones we've learnt and practiced in other lessons. Ready? Trying to go as fast as a cheetah. Ran. Dot. Bit. Tug. Frog. Tan. Bat. Log. Jug, man, cat, that, bug. Whew, how did that go? Could you go as quickly or quicker than I did? If you did, awesome. You're reading those words fluently. Well done. Remember to count up how many ticks you earned in your sun today. Remember that number, and you've got to try and beat that number in the next lesson. Thanks for joining in today. Bye.